Minister in the Maharashtra government and a person who has waged war on the Narcotics Control Bureau, Mr. Nawab Malik, is now with us. Mr. Malik, on a day when the bail orders have been released and, Aryan Khan will walk out of jail, you think that the entire case was about making the process the punishment?
From the very first day, I was in opinion, or I was confirmed, the entire case is a fake case. The boys and all the people are framed. Basically, there was a rave party. The sponsor was Fashion TV, and India had Kashif as behind that. The seizure shown by the NCB, a paper roll of that company has been seized. If paper roll of that company has been seized, why not Mr. Kashif Khan has been made an accused? Definitely, at that time, people were targeted and they were framed. Entire process was wrong. I am very much confident when they will go to the High Court to quash the case, it will be there. The harassment made by the NCB official, especially Mr. Wankhede, there was a deal of 18 crore rupees. 50 lakh rupees has been picked from a mall and it was delivered to this Gosavi's house. Then when this selfie has been viral, then all things has been cancelled. Definitely it's a case of kidnapping, a case of extortion.
Mr. Malik, it's interesting what you're saying. You're basically saying that someone on behalf of Aryan Khan and family paid him as in Mr. Gosavi. This transaction already happened.
The person who has picked the money, it was Gosavi. His bodyguard, he has given this information on the affidavit. It is on record. Definitely, there are electronic evidence. There are driver's statement can be there. Gosavi can be grilled. Definitely, it is a clear-cut case of kidnapping and extortion. This is not new. The entire extortion racket was there in the state of Maharashtra, especially in Mumbai by NCP, headed by Samir Dawood Wankhede. I want to give you one example. A case is there since last 1 year. Nobody has been booked under that case. This case is open. Neither it was closed. Nobody has been arrested. No charge sheet has been filed. Under that case, the threat is made to the Bollywood and a lot of extortion has been done by these officials.
Okay, Mr. Malik, you think, and now this is the subject matter of our discussion right here, you think that the law, the NDPS law, needs to be changed or amended, a sort of a drug law reform?
See, law is very much clear. The enforcement agencies are misusing the law. If anybody who is abused or who is consuming or addict, the law says they should send to the rehabilitation center or the blood or urine has to be checked. If it is positive, then the bail will be given to them and in a longer period you can prosecute them and you can give a punishment of 6 to 8 months or 1 year. The way the entire 27A or 29 it is implemented by the agencies, definitely some kind of a check should be there. The handbook has been given to the official. The handbook is not used as it is defined. They are taking signature of panchas on blank paper. They are not sealing the material where it is seized. They bring it to their offices. They want to mix it. They can mix it. And the innocent people are framed by this law. It is clear cut. The way Mr. Wankhede has made some cases in the city of Mumbai, I can prove that 80% cases are fake. We have evidence. Definitely, we will go to the court and we'll prove it that the fake cases has been made by Mr. Wankhede and their official in this Mumbai city.
No, Mr. Malik, you're talking about a pattern. What sort of pattern has emerged and what have you noticed to suggest that this is a well-designed extortion bid by, as alleged by you, Mr. Wankhede? And why don't you move court? The allegation is you talk on television studios. If you have so much material on him, go move court.
or all panchas, either they are their family friends or a friend of many years, or some of the panchas, those who are habitual panchas. If you are seizing some material from anybody's house or shop or anywhere else, the material should be seized and it should be sealed at that place. And after that, you have to keep it in the strong room. If you want to open it, it should be opened before the magistrate. Take out the sample, then seal it in presence of the magistrate, and you keep it in the strong room. See, after the Mr. Wankhede has taken a charge, you go to the Google, the cases made by Mr. Wankhede. He was releasing the picture to all crime reporters. The picture of that all cases are either on a table, which is same in every cases, or in a flooring, which is same in every picture. That means no seizure has been done at the house of anybody or any office or any godown or any shop or any other area. How the all pictures are having same table, same flooring, same chairs, that means there is some kind of things has been there, some kind of a fiction, some kind of a fake cases are there. Definitely, I'm requesting you to go to the Google and search it, the all photos printed in India Today or your website or any Free Press Journal, all pictures are same. It is taken on the same table. In the Aryan Khan case, we had proved the picture has been taken at the office at the chamber of Mr. Wankhede. We have matched the curtain where he is standing with a paper roll, and definitely this is the case where we had proved it, and we had very much confidence that what we are searching in last 6 months, we can prove in the court of law. Definitely a PIL will be made that how the things are made falsely in the city of Mumbai.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Malik, thank you very much. And you also answer that crucial question, that criticism that you talk a lot in press conferences, but you don't move court. You're saying that you will move court as you have enough material. All right, that's a wrap in this edition of The Big Fight. News continues on the other side. Stay with us.